How can a human being tell you that you need to pay tithe before that gates will be open, the windows will be open unto you, and then if you don't pay, you feel guilty, your finances will suffer, sickness will come? Is a lie. Tell your neighbor, is a lie. I have not paid for more than 5 years now. And so many of us have not even paid for more than 10 years. They're having blessings, innumerable, open doors from every corner, joy unspeakable. That's what so many of us have. So your paying tithe doesn't make any difference. Rather, it impoverishes you. Rather, it puts you under bondage. Be free from that bondage today. Go and eat that tithe. Eat it with the hungry people. Go to the less privileged homes. Go to the orphanages. Go there. Take that tithe. Go and eat it with them. Eat it. Eat it and rejoice. Eat it. In fact, the best season to eat that tithe is this beautiful season. Well, before you cross over to the new year. This Yule tithe season, when so many of you celebrate Christmas, or some of you are celebrating New Year, are celebrating one thing or the other, this is the period when you should eat that tithe with concamility. In Italian, we call it with concama, with a cool mind. You do better pepper soup. Go and buy goats, kill that goat, call people, let everyone that are hungry, let them eat with you. Buy some kind of foodstuffs. Go and give to those that need it. Send money to those ones that need it. Pay hospital bills. There are many people in prison that just a little money will bring them out of that prison for them to go and be free, and celebrate with their family. Go and set them free. Don't give one charlatan that tithe. Otherwise, you are setting yourself up again to remain in bondage. A brother came with comments today on the post I made, and he was saying that tithing is a spiritual thing. I won't come and be arguing with you carnal-minded people about tithing. Tithing, spiritual thing. When any human being that calls himself a Christian or a believer in Christ attributes money paying to be a spiritual thing, no matter who that person is a lover of mammon, doesn't love Jesus Christ. Tithing, even from the inception, tithing was not a spiritual thing. From the inception, from the time it began, when the Old Testament people were operating tithe, it had nothing to do with spirituality. It was just to maintain the office of the priest and to feed those that were hungry, those that had need, and to eat and to be merry. It had nothing to do with spiritual thing, money, food, spiritual thing. Who told you that? Who told you? Tithing has nothing to do with spirit. And that is why you as a Christian, that are spirit beings, that live in the spirit, that walk in the spirit, you have no business with tithing. You have no business with tithing. No business whatsoever. A Christian in this 21st century is telling us that tithing is a spiritual thing. How can you do that? Jesus Christ never said to us that we should not pay tithe. Did Jesus Christ ever tell us to pay tithe? I would love to teach. No, you can't teach me. Man. No. You have nothing to say. You have nothing to say. You can't teach me. You missed it when you said that mammon is a spiritual thing. Money that the people are paying, tithe, is a spiritual thing. You have nothing to teach, bro. You have nothing to teach. Just go and pack one side. Just pack that 2K one side. You have nothing to teach. Nothing to teach. And if you cannot prove it, it's better you just stop making those comments. You have nothing to teach. I have to tell you that. You got me really provoked today. I didn't want to come and even do the program. I intended to make a post and announce that I will be coming back tomorrow. Okay, thank you, Sister Mercy. Barnabas, you and your family go and continue to pay the tithe. Thank you, Sister. Giving is a spiritual conviction, sir. When you are talking about giving, you are not talking about tithe, sir. When you are talking about giving, I have talked about giving. I give myself. We give willingly, willing giving, not tithe, my friend. Not tithe. What do you mean giving? We believe, we know about giving. The Christians give, they give. extravagantly. They give willingly. They help the needy. They help the poor. But they have no business with tithes. That's what you should know. In this time and age, you cannot talk about tithes, sir. No, no, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Don't come and take us back, eh? Don't come and take the children of God back to Egypt or back to the tabernacle. No. Look, Barnabas, there is nothing like tithes for a child of God. Don't even say it, Christians, tithes. It doesn't concern you. It doesn't concern you, sir. Tithes doesn't concern you. Free will giving, yes. Giving to the needy, yes. Tithes doesn't concern you. Jesus Christ changed tithe to giving. What do you mean change tithe to? Why are you saying change tithe to giving? What are you saying? I beg, let me go, Jare.